Welcome to this quick informative video showcasing the hunting capabilities in PolySwarm. In this video, we will cover how to use hunt for artifacts relating to malware families in order to operationalize the intelligence. In this scenario, a cyber threat intelligence team has some prioritized intelligence requires that are tracking malware families. They wish to hunt for new samples relating to these families so that they can operationalize them and send them downstream to their security tools for action. This allows them to defend their organization and improve their security posture. There are two types of hunting in PolySwarm. Live hunting looks at artifacts going forward. Historical hunting looks at artifacts over the last 90 days. Both of these types use Yara rulesets to match artifacts in PolySwarm. In PolySwarm, navigate to the Hunt tab, and from here, go into Ruleset and Hunt Management. In this example, we already have a Yara rule saved locally that we use to track Chinese malware, one of our tracked families. Clicking on the plus icon, we can give our rule set a name and then paste in our rule. Note we can have unlimited rules in a single rule set. Once validated, save the rule set. Then you can click on the Live Hunt switch to turn on the Live Hunt from now on. This will automatically bring you into the Live Hunt tab. Going back to the rule set, you can click the Running Man Action button to run a historical search over 90 days worth of data. Navigate to the Live Feed tab. From here, you can see our live matches against our rule name, and you can also filter on these if you have multiple matches over different rules. You can then select the desired IOC and download them locally into a CSV file with the included hashes so you can operationalize them elsewhere. Finally, the Historical Hunt tab shows you a list of hunts you have run in the past. From here, once a hunt has been completed, click on it to view the matches and select the desired IOC to download them. Thanks for watching this short video on hunting using PolySwarm. We look forward to seeing you on our next video. If you have any questions or want to speak to the PolySwarm team, feel free to reach out to us by email at customersuccess@polyswarm.io.